With temperatures expected to drop into freezing and/or sub-freezing temperatures, Vito Services wants to help get you and your home prepared. Any water pipe passing through an unheated space, including walls without insulation and crawl spaces, is subject to freezing. When water freezes, it expands. Your pipes will expand as well, as ice pushes against them and possibly forces a break in the pipe. Nobody wants to deal with that break once the pipes thaw and the water starts to flow again. The simplest measures that you can take to protect pipes from freezing: wrap the pipes with insulation. Use electric heating tape or cables. Allow water to drip out of your faucet during extremely cold weather.